I want to thank you for viewing this Plygem YouTube video on tips on how to install Leaf Relief, a great gutter protection product. Today we're going to talk about all the different options with Leaf Relief. There's generally two different categories of Leaf Relief. One is for existing gutters. You have to have hangers or a spike and ferrule, something holding the gutter up. So what we do with this product, we're going to show you the options you have here. Most people have a spike or ferrule or a flat hanger, as Eric's showing you on this gutter right here, very, very common. And it's laying flat in there, and this is what you'd have every 2 feet or so on a gutter. So the first product is called Flat Classic, and it sits like that. It's got a rubber gasket on the back, and it sits on the front of the gutter. He's going to put it on there and show you. So this product has to go over an existing hanger. You put your screws into the front, and that back rubber gasket sits right up against the fascia board. It doesn't go under the roofing shingle like other Leaf products. This sits right up against it. You never touch any roof product with the Leaf Relief product. So another option that you have with the Classic, or the ones that go over existing hangers, is what we call Zip Leaf Relief. So this is a zip hanger. He's going to lock it into the gutter. This is a newer hanger that's getting to be real popular. Your house may have a zip product on it. Now, there is a screw that actually goes in there. He's going to show you the screw, but we've taken the screw out just so we could put it on. So that comes with the hanger. So the beauty of this product, you got to have Leaf Relief, all of them very flat. So that's got a step in it. So he's going to show you, if you do have a zip hanger, you have to use zip. It sits on top, it lays flat, and it has that ledge to go over that hanger. So that's your second option. Still has that rubber gasket. We also have one that's not used very much, but it's called Leaf Relief Classic Adjustable. And we'll just show you here how it works. It's got the same rubber gasket, but it's got a little slide that you can adjust the width for maybe a real old gutter or a modular home gutter. So that's a very good option too for those odd shaped gutters. The last one in Classic, or ones for gutters that are already up, is a real specialty one you can't get for a lot of protection products. It's called half round gutter. Now we've shown it on a half round copper gutter, which is very common, and you can see it has to sit on hangers. In this case, we have a clip holding the gutter, and it comes in, this one comes in 5 and 6 inch in aluminum and 5 and 6 inch in copper. So to review all the Classic, you have flat, zip, adjustable, and half round, and they all come in 5-inch gutter and 6-inch gutter options. So there's a lot of things you can do with it. So we'll go over the accessories in a second, but let's talk about the other amazing product that comes with Leaf Relief. It's called Continuous Hanger, and this has a big advantage because it goes only up on a new gutter. So if you have hangers already up, you can't use it, but if you're putting a new gutter up, which is done on all remodeling, this is a tremendous offer. He's showing you one of the profiles. This installs a little differently. The middle of it's the same. So he'll show you, you take it, this one you lock it to the front of the gutter, and then you pop it over the back leg, and then you have it all done. Now there's no hangers needed. This is a tremendous benefit. It's a patented process, so you get rid of the hangers completely. So what comes in the box, as Eric's showing you, is a screw with a gasket that you have to use. Now that screw is going to go into the back leg, and there'll be other videos you can see more details on installation. So that'll go in there, so you don't have the cost of the hangers, and you have a continuous hanger. Show them how strong that is, Eric. You got a hanger every inch, so you won't have any ladder or you won't have any snow. But I want to show you with the drip edge. A lot of homes have drip edges, so let's just see if that drip edge is on that gutter. He'll show you real quick, and so you slide the whole system underneath the gutter, just like he has it. Perfect. And then you're going to put your screws through that zip, that drip edge, and it will hold it up. So let me give you the options you have for continuous hanger. You have it in a 5-inch, which we were showing you there. We have it in a 6-inch. We even have it in a 7-inch, which is the new size gutters in the South. So a lot of different options with the continuous hanger. Now what we've done to the continuous hanger, I want to go over warranties a little bit too. The Classic and the continuous hanger has a 25 no drip, no overflow, no clog warranty. So I want to also tell you we have a new product out that is an update in the continuous hanger. It's called Dual Pro. You'll notice that it has a black finish and it's 2 screens. So this one does a much better job for those pine tree areas, and the warranty also goes up to 35 years. So it has a lot of benefits. It's painted black. You don't see it anyways. So there's a lot of good things. It has a different flow system. So those are the continuous hanger options, great options for you, big benefits to continuous hanger. Let me do a quick couple seconds and tell you about the accessories for both products. Let's talk about, for both products, you do have an access panel. Eric's going to show you that. That comes in 5 and 6 inch, and it's just a simple thing that if you still feel you're going to get clogging, you can put that over your downspout areas and integrate it into your leaf relief, either one, the classic for existing or the continuous hanger. I want to show you real quick, we also have outside and inside corners. He's going to show you an example of one of them. They're riveted in the center. They're real easy to use. You don't have to use these. You can cut your own inside and outside corners. We'll go over that in the installation YouTube video. We also have diverters. No matter what you're doing with leaf protection, you always want to use a diverter at the bottom of a valley. You can use the one we have, or you can make your own. I do want to end up here to show you the DuoPro. DuoPro has its own unique inside-outside corner and access panel. So as you see, as Eric flips that, that does 3 things. So that gives you all the accessories you need to work with all these different leaf protection. Remember, we supply a leaf protection for every type of gutter system from 5 to 7 inches, whether it's existing or it's a new gutter system. So we appreciate you taking a look at all the leaf relief products we have. I want to, again, thank you for checking out our YouTube video. Continue to check YouTube for more Ply Gem leaf protection videos.